If you've been locked out of your Chase Bank account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these simple steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Chase Bank website. Go to the official Chase Bank website using a secure internet connection. Make sure you are on the legitimate site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Forgot Username/Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Username/Password link. Click on it to begin the process of resetting your credentials. Step 3. Verify your identity. You will be prompted to enter your personal information such as your social security number and account number. This step is crucial for verifying your identity and ensuring the security of your account. Step 4. Follow the instructions. After verifying your identity, follow the on-screen instructions. You may receive a temporary password via email or text message, or you may be asked to create a new password directly. Step 5. Log in with new credentials. Once you have reset your password, return to the login page and enter your username and new password. Make sure to log in successfully to confirm that your credentials have been reset. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider contacting Chase Bank customer service for further assistance.